Tortilla de papa, one of my favorites and definitely my son's favorite one. Very simple since I follow this technique, and I'm going to cook everything here in the Thermomix, then use the oven instead of the stove. Very simple. Come here. You can peel the potatoes previously with a peeler even, but today I don't. Because you will see the Thermomix is going to be cutting everything and it's perfect. So only big pieces, remember, should be this size. So potato maybe in 4 or 6 pieces. I'm going to add 700 grams of water. Remember, here in Thermomix everything is in grams instead of ml for the liquid. And I'm going to chop. 2 seconds is speed 5 seconds it's chopped. Now we are going to only remove all the water because we are going to rinse it. So use the simmering basket to transfer, and we are going to use water to rinse it. I will add 200 grams of onions, and I'm going to chop. 2 seconds is speed 5. After 2 seconds, I'm going to put the butterfly with some oil. Be sure that the butterfly is secure. Close it, and 8 minutes, and it's going to be fried. Only be sure that it's going to be in reverse, so the onions are perfectly and it's not going to be more chopped. Use your measuring cup to crack and see that your eggs are correctly. One thing that I like to do with the shells is clean it and then let it dry, and then I pulverize it in the Thermomix. How can I do it? It's only 10 seconds. It's speed 10, and then I use it for my garden. Minutes I wanted to show to you. It's after fry the onions. Now I'm going to add the potatoes that already I chopped, the ones that we put it with water. Then we are going to cook here in the Thermomix. I'm going to left 18 minutes with the butterfly and the onion and the potatoes, and that's all so far. Time that it's in the oven, I'm going to pre-clean my Thermomix. Obviously it has fried the onions, so it's a little dirty. Liter of water, some 1 drop of this soap, and we are going to close the Thermomix 30 screen, and we are going to pre-clean, and we are going to choose fat or caramel. It's going to heat the water, to work back and forth many times, and then at the end I'm going to open the Thermomix only to be sure that everything is completely clean, and even I give a little help. The result for our tortilla de papa. So this is my way. I hope you enjoy it, and I normally share with my family, and we put aside some salad or even some protein to eat. Thank you. I hope you enjoy, and let me know if you want more recipes with Thermomix. Bye bye.